What's up, boys and girls? Back at it again. Another $100 slot challenge. Right now we're on Lightning Buffalo Link. Buffalo Classic. $100, $5 bets. Let's see if we can hit the grand or even super grand. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Oh, a lot of buffaloes. Was that close? I guess so. Oh. Oh, is that two? Yeah. Lots of bonuses on it. About halfway through now. I think I'd rather get 6 buffaloes. Okay. Should pay out a little bit.
45.
Hey, we're back. Oh, another one. We're back? Okay, we're back. Oh. Need one more there. Oh. Buffalo shift over a bit more. Alright. A little bit of a cool streak, but this is where we work.
Oh.
We're doing this. Last few spin. Come on. Okay, refund. That's right. Next time. Oh, we do charge spin. Let's see if we get it.